All right guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're going to be continuing with the single time swing, and we're going to show you the beginner combination, which combines the first three patterns, but the first and the second pattern actually contain a few different variations, so it's a bit more, but we'll do that for you.
All right, we're going to do one basic to start. We're going to do 2 rotating basics to the right, roughly half a turn, and then 2 rotating basics to the left to get back to where I started. I'll do a right turn into a left turn, more or less where we started. I take 2 hands during the next basic and go into a cradle. This is 2 basics worth. I'll do one more basic to get back to where we started.
So we're going to do all that again from the other side, but with timing.
Slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow, 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 quick, quick.
All right, this is just one example of how you string these 3 steps together. If you haven't learned these individually step by step, you can access all of these free on our YouTube channel, and we teach the rest of the steps and much more on our website, ballroomfeed.com, so go check that out as well. We're gonna demo that with music for you.